How to add WhatsApp button on Facebook page. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can add WhatsApp message button on your Facebook page. So let's start. First of all, open Facebook and log into your account. After you log into your account, go to your page. Then after as you switch to your page, go to your profile. It's a new page that I just created. After you open your page profile, tap on these three dots, then go to add action button. Now tap on edit buttons and select send WhatsApp message. Now you can individually select the WhatsApp account that you want as your messaging destination. In order to do that, tap on connect WhatsApp account and enter your phone number. After you have successfully connected with your WhatsApp account, tap on save. As you do that, the WhatsApp message button will appear on your page post. Now people can contact you directly on your WhatsApp and you can exchange messages on that platform. So in this way, you can easily add WhatsApp button on a Facebook page. Well, that's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.